Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the QCAA external exam for math methods from 2023, paper 1, question 4. Now, as you were seeing on the channel, I've started splitting up all the exam questions into individual videos just to give you a bit more variety. So pretty much if you only struggle with let's say question 4, you can go watch question 4, etc. Okay, it allows me also to go into a bit more further depth. That way you don't have like a 2.5 hour exam long video. The full exam is still linked in the description below, so you can still check it out. If you need an external exam bundle pack for math methods, link is also in the description below. But otherwise, let's get straight into question 4. If the gradient of the function f of x is given by 20 over x cubed, then f of x is equal to this. Now here, this is kind of like a play with words. The gradient of the function f of x is this guy here, which implies f dash of x is 20 over x cubed. Now notice in the question they never mention f dash of x, they just use the word gradient. So it's your job to recognize that gradient of f of x is f dash of x. Okay. Now, if you've got the derivative and you want to work at f of x, if you integrate the derivative with respect to x, you should receive your actual function plus a constant there. Okay. Now you can see all of them have that plus constant there, but we've just got to work out which one is going to be correct. Now, before you integrate anything, you should probably change how this looks, because we can't use our power rule that easily just yet, because it doesn't really look like a power just yet. Okay. So here, what we would do is we're going to move the x cubed up above the fraction. So we'll write f dash of x is equal to 20. And because we're moving above the fraction, we flip the sign of the index. So it'll be x to the power of negative 3. Okay. Now what we're going to do is integrate that. So if you integrate that, you'll get f of x. And just write this guy as an integral for now. 20x negative 3 dx. I'm going to rub out or get rid of all this stuff here before I run out of room. And just move this guy up here. So here, when we're integrating this, all we have to do is add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. So you have 20 x to the power of negative 3 plus 1 over negative 3 plus 1 and then plus a constant c. So that's your f of x. So here you've got 20x to the negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. 20 divided by negative 2 is negative 10. So you have negative 10x to the negative 2 plus c. Now to make it look like any of the answers there, we have to move this guy below the fraction again. So that can be written as negative 10 over x squared plus c. So your correct answer is going to be C. Okay. If you had any questions about this one here, leave something in the comments. If you need a practice external exam bundle pack, link is in the description below. If you want the full exam, the link is also in the description below. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy.